Okay, hello guys. Let us take a look at this question. So it says that we have to find the value of the limit, and it is given limit x tends to 0 sine square x divided by root 2 minus root over 1 plus cos x. So first of all, what is the first step? We'll substitute, okay, the limit, okay, x tends to 0. So put x is equal to 0 numerator and the denominator. Okay, so let's see what we get, okay, when we put x is equal to 0. Okay, so sine square x will become what? So sine 0 is 0, so 0 whole square is 0, and then in the denominator we have root 2 minus what? 1 plus cos x, root over 1 plus cos x, so 1 plus cos x, so cos 0 is what? 1, so we get root over 1 plus 1. So in the denominator also what we are getting? 0, root 2 minus root 2, so 0 by 0. Okay, so 0 by 0 forms, so either we can use substitution or we can use L'Hospital's rule. So let us use substitution first. So what we'll do is we'll rationalize this expression first, okay, because in the denominator we have root, right? So let's first try and put it in a form, okay, where we can put the limit properly. So let's rationalize this. So this is root 2 minus root 1 plus cos x. So you will multiply root 2 plus root 1 plus cos x, okay, in the numerator and in the denominator also, root 2 plus root over 1 plus cos x, okay, and this expression will stay as it is. Root, oh sorry, it is, yeah, so what was this? So root 2 minus root over 1 plus cos x, okay. So what we have done, we have basically trying to rationalize this expression. Okay, so we have added, okay, this root 2 plus 1 plus cos x in the numerator and the denominator. And now what we are going to do, now again, okay, let's see what we get after multiplying these terms. So the top will remain as it is, right? That will be sine square x root 2 plus root 1 plus cos x. Okay, this will be as it is, and in the numerator what are we getting? We are getting some issue with the pen. Okay, so we have so root 2, this will become root 2 into root 2 will be 2 minus root 1 plus cos x into 1 plus cos x, so that will be 1 plus cos x, right? 1 plus cos x, right? So this is what we are getting. So now you will get 2 minus 1. So this I can write as 1 minus cos x, right? Because this is 2 minus 1 in the denominator, 2 minus 1 minus cos x. So this I can write as 1 minus cos x, right? Cool. Now sine square x, if you see what we can write this as 1 minus cos square x, and 1 minus cos square x can be written as what? 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x, right? So let's substitute this sine square x, okay? So let's write it in the next step. So sine square x is 1 minus cos square x. So that 1 minus cos square x, if we'll break, we'll get 1 minus cos x and 1 plus cos x, right? This, and then this expression will be the same. This is root 2 plus root over 1 plus cos x. So just you have to properly write all the terms and it will be very simple to solve it, okay? Plus cos x, okay? So this is it, and in the denominator what do we have? Okay, in the denominator we have 1 minus cos x, right? So 1 minus cos x. So now what? Yeah, so we have 1 minus cos x in the denominator. So 1 minus cos x and 1 minus cos x will get cancelled, right? So our expression becomes 1 plus cos x root 2 1 plus cos x, limit x tends to 0. Now just substitute x is equal to 0 in this expression. Let's see what we get. Okay, let me just change the sheet. Okay, so let's do it here only because just one step remaining, right? So let's just do it here only. So we have 1 plus cos x, so 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos 0, substitute 0, right? So cos 0 is 1, so 1 plus 1. and here we have root 2 plus 1 plus cos x. So root 2 plus root over 1 plus cos 0 will be 1. So 1 plus 1. So this becomes root 2 plus root 2, right? Root 2 plus root 2. So this will become 1 plus 1 is 2 and root 2 plus root 2 is 2 root 2, right? 2 root 2. So what do we get? We get 2 into 2 is 4 root 2. So our answer becomes 4 root 2 in this case, which is option B, right? So very simple. Okay, what we did first, we substituted 0. Okay, whatever was the limit, okay, we substituted, we found it was 0 by 0. So then we rationalized this expression, okay, so that we can, somehow remove this denominator, and we were able to remove the denominator here, and then just substitute the value of the limit x is equal to 0, and we could find our answer, which was 4 root 2. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.